Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your shared PDF documents in Adobe Acrobat. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that, you can see at the bottom of the screen the third option is shared, and you can see that those documents who are shared by you. Here I have one, and by others. There are no shared files you receive will appear here, so you will see in one place all your shared documents. So yeah, this is really helpful, and I hope that this video was helpful for you as well, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.